Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to learn-innovation.com. This is Mukesh. So guys, this is going to be the last video of 2019 and I would like to say Happy New Year to all of you. So this video is going to be very quick. I just want to highlight a couple of things from 2019. So 2019 was a great year for me. I published many videos on my YouTube channel, around 80 videos on the different topics like RPA, and Gradle, Selenium, test project, Catalan, and couple of interesting topics I have published. Last year was not regular like 2018 due to some XYZ reasons, but 2019 I tried my best and I published many videos. And again in 2020 I have planned couple of things which I will be telling you at the end of this video, which I have planned. Let's see how it goes. So this year we also had a meetup in Bangalore, so it was a great meetup. I was planning for this meetup from a long time, almost from 2015. Finally, we did in 2019, and almost 70 to 80 people joined, and it was a very interesting moment when I met with so many subscribers to whom I used to interact in the comment sections, and I literally enjoyed. And we also had one of the CSR activity with Amod Mahajan. So he also runs his own blog, makeseleniumeasy.com. So he hosted one of the CSR event, Choti Si Pehal. He runs an NGO called Choti Si Pehal. So we did that event in HSR layout in Bangalore. And I also met with Raghav Pal. He also runs his own channel called Automation Step by Step. He came to Bangalore for some of the training, and finally we did a live Q&A as well. And I also met Sanjay Kumar in one of the Step and Submit in Taj, Bangalore. So where he was giving one session on the Crow Path. So I met with him as well. And last week I met with the Naveen Automation Lab as well. So we also shared a couple of the moments, and we shared a lot of things from the YouTube side as well. So in 2020 I will also plan some more collaboration. So I will try to have collaboration with Karthik and Tools K team, so Virendra and Laksh. So let's see how it goes. So in 2020 I have planned a couple of things, okay, from the new topic side. But I also want to highlight a couple of things from my older videos. So if you see my older videos, they are published long back, close to 5 years back. They are little outdated. I will not say they are completely outdated, but yeah, few things have changed. The setup has changed, configuration have changed, and it was not the great content which I published long back. So I just want to upload fresh videos on that topics which is little outdated now. So you will see some updates on the older videos. I will create a fresh videos and I will publish them. Few videos have very less sound, so again this time I have improved a lot in the sound quality. So I will try to add some little interesting facts, and audio will be improved in the previous videos. Few videos does not have sound at all because that time I was very new and I was not aware how to edit the video, so I just used to publish as it is. And later on I realized there's no sound in the video, so you will find around 5 to 6 videos on my YouTube channel where I do not have any audio at all. So when it comes to older videos, definitely I'm going to update all of them. Another point is they are not in a sequence, so they are just random videos I have published. So I'm trying to create a separate series. Few videos I will upload, new videos I will upload, few I will take from my existing videos, and I will try to make in a proper sequence so that you can follow easily. Now another point for 2020, like till now I have not uploaded even a single video on interview questions, but many people are struggling with interviews. They know how to work with that particular tool or the topic, but they don't know how to explain the topic. So I will try to make a separate series on interview questions. It can be Java related interview questions, Python, JavaScript, Selenium, which is definitely required in order to get a very good job, or in case if you want a career growth. And apart from this, till now I was mainly focusing into Java. That was my primary language, but as you can see, market's changing very drastically and we need to learn the different programming languages as well. So I will be publishing many videos on the Python and the JavaScript, and you will see a complete series on them. Not only the few videos, I will try to create dedicated series on Python and JavaScript, because most of the tools which you can see in the market, they are focusing more into JavaScript. So if you talk about Cypress, if you talk about Puppeteer, if you talk about Tyco, there's so many tools which is existing in the market nowadays. They are based on the JavaScript. When it comes to Python is also coming into automation tool nowadays. If you see, they also introduce a new RPA tool which is totally based on the Python. This is just one example, but there's so many examples which I will be taking in the upcoming videos, which will be based on the JavaScript and the Python. So if you are planning to change your career path, let's say you are planning from automation to DevOps, then definitely you need shell scripting and the Python as well. So when it comes to Python, it is going to play a huge role in your career, so please try to learn Python as well. and I will record dedicated videos how you can start your journey with Python, JavaScript. They are literally very easy. If you know Java, you can easily migrate. It is going to be, let's say, in 1 month you can learn all these programming languages. Again, I'm saying you can learn. I'm not saying that you will become expert, because that will take some time, and that's fine. Once you start working on the projects, you will get more exposure and you will get to know so many different topics. But at least you can learn if you know the Java or any other programming language, because they share the common concepts. Definitely the syntax will be different, and few terminologies will change, but if you see the logic part, they will remain same. So that's all about this. This is just a high level agenda for 2020, but there's so many things are coming in 2020, so let's see how it goes. So another good thing which happened with me in 2019 was the Audible. I was not aware of audible.com. One of my friend recommended me, and I used to travel almost 3 hours in a day. I used to commute 3 hours in a day, and that time I utilized on some online books. Okay, so there are some books available on Audible. You can just purchase it and you can listen to it. Hardly it will cost you 200 rupees per month, and you can listen to the Audible books. So you can choose as per your interest, whether you want to go into the business, marketing, sales, finance, self-improvement. That's totally up to you, but try to utilize your travel time. So that's all I have for this video, guys. So before I end this video, thank you once again and wishing you happy new year once again, and I will see you in 2020. Bye bye.